Dear citizens, today I will give you some updates on the COVID-19 front and regarding the rec center. The number of active cases in our health region is still quite high. We have 81 active cases as of Friday morning, March 26, 2021, for a total of 753 cases since the beginning of the pandemic. And we can report that our total number of casualties have not increased this past week. For this, we are grateful. Students at the junior high are out of quarantine and back to school as of today. This is encouraging. However, we all need to remain vigilant. As you may have heard on the news, Dr. Hinshaw, the Alberta Chief Medical Officer, is concerned at the rapidly expanding number of the UK variant cases in southern Alberta. In her estimation, it poses a potential threat to all the efforts made in administering the COVID-19 vaccine as fast as possible to as many who will accept it. Once more, I encourage all our citizens to unite in a fight against COVID-19 with renewed determination by simply following the well-known steps outlined for the past year on the AHF's website, keeping 6 feet or 2 meters apart, frequent hand washing or hand sanitizing, mask wearing when and where necessary, avoiding home parties and large gatherings, and avoiding unnecessary travels. May we all take this challenge seriously and monitor our own progress and quickly correct our behavior when we start to keep our guards down. Together, we will have the strength to fight this uphill battle. Let's do it. Here's for the update on the rec center. Last week, I told you that Council would look at the results of the survey as one element to guide Council's decision-making process prior to reviewing the budget for 2021 and setting the mill rates. That was a plan. The survey generated 507 returns, or 33% of all households who received one. Although this survey was flawed from the onset because it did not offer respondents the full background of information regarding the rec facility to help them with their decision-making, it still generated some interesting results as follows. The majority of householders surveyed would like to see some sort of a rec center to enjoy year-long physical activities. However, the general appetite to support the operational cost of such facility through increased taxes varied from none to very low, i.e. $50 per year for residential, or at best moderate for a very limited amount of businesses, up to $200 per year. About half of the householders surveyed would accept paying some fees toward the operation of a facility. So to recap in one sentence, yes to a facility, but no if substantial taxes or fees are required. The open comment section offered some interesting insights. The following recurring theme seems to emerge. It was addressed by respondents in favor of a rec facility, but to question the timing for such capital expenditure, considering the need for money/taxes to address more urgent capital infrastructure priorities at the municipal level in such uncertain and volatile provincial economic times. Some of these respondents offered some alternate solutions to the proposed facility and its location by seeking partnership with the Golf Club Association or perhaps with other existing institutions to mitigate the cost factor. So in one sentence, yes, do a facility, but the timing does not seem quite right, and seek partnerships to lessen the costs. To allow the Pickleball Association the opportunity to raise the funds for a proposed recreation facility, Council approved to set aside $1 million in town and provincial funding to support the fundraising effort. The exact details of the funding will be worked out over the council meetings in April. What the facility will cost, where it will be located, what it will look like, what it will cost you is yet to be determined. Administration and the Pickleball Association will need to work together to find partnerships, donors, and users for this facility. Council will now have to find creative and lean ways to operate a facility as a rec center, since the appetite to pay tax is not there as indicated in a survey. So stay posted. Always a pleasure to serve you.